In this video, we will see how to build a simple number guessing game using Python. So let's get started. Here I come in my VS Code and will make a file named guess.py. Now I will do, in order to make a number guessing game, a simple number guessing game, we will import the module name random. Import random module. You are well aware about the module. This is the random module. Now I will take the I will pop up print. uh, Before print we will fix a number. Let's say it's num, and the number is between random dot random, and the number is between 1 to 100 inclusive. Okay, and I will print computer selected a number from 1 to 100 inclusive. Now it's your turn. Fine. Now I will do while true because I have to run a loop. Okay. To add some twist, we can add turns. We can calculate the turns. So turns, initializing it with 0, turns equal to 0, and doing while true, and guess. We'll take input from the user, and input, enter the guess number, enter the guess number. If guess double equals to num, then what the program will do? Program will break the loop. Before breaking, it will print you got it right, like, and will break the loop. elif elif if the guess is less than num, if the guess number is less than the number, then what it will prompt? It will prompt that the number, bigger number please, and here it will do turns plus equal to 1. Now turn will be increased by 1. Elif guess is greater than num, what it will print if guess is greater than num, then print lesser number please. Fine. And again turns plus equal to 1. Okay, now the program is ready. Lastly, we will print number of turns equal to turns plus 1. Why this plus 1? Because if we got it right, then it will to count as a turn. Fine. Now starting our program, computer selected number from 1 to 100 inclusive. Now it's your turn. So let me guess, it's 60. No, bigger number. It can be 80. No, lesser number. Means the range is from 60 to 80. Let's select 70. Bigger number. Means the range is from 70 to 80. 75. Lesser number. 70 to 75. I have to think about. And it's 72, right? 72. No. Lesser number. Lesser number means it can be 71. I know. Yes, you got it right. Number of turns are 6. You can calculate that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have played the game for 6 times. Therefore, the number of turns are 6. It's quite a fun game, but you can also add some escape sequences here, right? If you got it right, then it will display in slash and slash t next line. And for bigger number prompt, you can use backslash t. For lesser number, you can use backslash t as well. And for number of turns, you can use backslash n, so that the output will better, look in a better way. Let's play this game again. Let's take 57. Lesser number, please. And let's take 43. Lesser number, 38. Lesser number, okay, 20. Oh, I got it right in fourth turn. Damn. So this is a fun game. You can play it by yourself too, and we can make it using simple by using the random module only in the Python. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Hope you understood the game.